It's a big drive by Kaino. This is the tiring number 8.
New Zealand depth that they have at the moment. This guy's been absolutely outstanding.
I tell you what, he's running into trouble. Here is a star being born.
I was born in American Samoa in 1983. Mum and Dad decided to bring the family over in 1987. I've got 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I was quite fresh when I came over. English wasn't my first language. I probably would have went to the shop to buy some bread. I would have just went up to the till and just went, bread. Thank you, please. Bread. That's one thing that I kind of hold close to my heart, is that to keep my young mu'u going. Mum and Dad always speak Samoan to us at home, and they make sure that we speak Samoan back, and that's one thing I'm quite proud of.
My baby just cares for me.
Yeah, I got married last year. We went back to Samoa and got married. Bucketed down on the day. Everyone was saying it's meant to be a blessing when it rains on your wedding day, so we got that. Highlights for me would have to be my kids, getting married, World Cup stands up there. Also getting selected in the All Blacks. In the rugby circles, there's a story that's been out for a while. One of my mates went to a restaurant and he ordered a steak. The waitress asked him how he would like his steak. He turns to the waitress and he says, large please. And, I won't say his name, but I love you, Ice. Love you, bro. If I wasn't a rugby player, I think I'd like to be a professional surfer. I've always wanted to learn how to surf. I admire what they do, so I'm currently learning. I'm no good. I just like the locations where their office is the beach, and I'd love to travel the world and see these beautiful beaches, beautiful countries, and to be able to surf, hang out at the beach for a job. The freshest person I know would have to be David Smith.
Bonjour.
He used to play for Auckland, now he's over in Toulon playing.
I want to sing a song for the fan.
He thinks he's quite a karaoke king. If you look on YouTube, he's got some clips on there.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Yeah, he'd have to be the freshest guy I know.
Be safe. All you need is be happy and oh Christmas.
Kelly, the All-American girl.
My boyhood crush would have to be Tiffany Amber Thiessen. I was a big Saved by the Bell fan. I think she was a flavour when I was younger. Hope my wife was listening. My all-time favourite film would have to be one of Van Damme's films, either Bloodsport or Kickboxer. You know, there are some funny parts to his films. There's always a bit of comedy, which make them classics. When I was younger, I really loved wrestling. I wanted to be Hulk Hogan when I was younger. That was my dream. I always wanted to be a professional wrestler. I love rugby, and I'm quite fortunate enough to get paid for it and travel the world. I'm living the dream. The last couple of years with the World Cup, Super 15, how everything's been going, I've been really happy with the way rugby's been going. I'm happy to play here in New Zealand and to play for the Blues, so everything's been going well.
You are a world champion. Yeah, exactly, I can't believe it.
When I'm finished up and retired, hopefully I'm not working. Hopefully I'm in Samoa on a hammock somewhere. I'd like to build a house in Samoa and just retire there and live with Mum and Dad and live off the land.